Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. I wanted to do a video today with eyeshadow. So I thought I'd start with the basics. So this is a video for beginners. It's an easy tutorial just to give you the basics because nothing to be intimidated about with the eyeshadow. So whether you have just a minute or if you want to experiment more, I'm going to give you 3 methods that you can use to look amazing. Okay, so first I've primed my eyes with the NYX HD primer. I found that works best for me. I know I've said before I've tried Urban Decay and all the others and they work great too. So I just, for the money, you know, about $8, I got it on Amazon. This works, and it does make a difference if you use primer because your eyeshadow will stay on longer. And another good thing is what you'll need to have your eyeshadow work longer is the more highly pigmented it is, the higher quality, the better it's gonna last on your face. So, you know, I have done it in the past. You get the drugstore kinds and you know they're just not the same as the higher quality. And what's great about the mascara ones is they are like a cream eyeshadow and they're so highly pigmented that they just last all day on your eyes, and it just makes such a difference. And also having some good brushes makes a big difference too. I have the eyeshadow everything brush, and wow, what a difference it's made. And what's great about all of our brushes is they're all double-ended. So you get multi-uses out of all of them. So make sure you definitely have this one or another good quality brush. Another good one is the Blend and Tap. I don't have that one, but with all the other brushes, like I was saying, they all can be used for different reasons. So this is the Blend Forever. And you can just blend that in because it's important to blend your eyeshadow in too. So these are the 2 tools I'll be working with today. So the color I'm going to be starting out with is London. It's a beautiful purpley color. And see my new compact? I'm in love. It's the rose gold one and it's the triple decker. So I have all of my highlighters and brighteners and my Bella bronzer, amazing, and then illuminators here, and then some of my lipstick and cheek. And today I have on Hollywood, this one, and I just love it. And then here's some of my eyeshadows. So right here is London. And then this is Amethyst, and I'll be using that today too. But we're gonna start out with London, and we're just gonna be starting out with the basic one, which is just simply called Wash. So you're just gonna use one color. That's all you're gonna use. And we're gonna use London. Get that on. And you're just gonna apply on your eye. Right here, right on your eyeball. See, what a difference that makes already. And we'll do the other eye. Okay, so you only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. And if you're only gonna be using the wash kind, and you can just take that London and you can just bring it down underneath your eyes. Make sure it's connected. So that gives it a nice touch underneath your eyelashes, your bottom eyelashes. So you'll do the same on the other one. Just to give it some color. And If you wanted to add a little bit up top on the upper eyelid, you could take some of the Amethyst now, the darker color, this one, and you can apply that to your upper eyelid. Swish that across, just like that. See? Really brings out your eyes. You know, you don't need a lot, and I think that's what's great. And I used to be afraid of these colors of purple, but with my hazel, I have hazel eyes, I've just found that there's no reason to be afraid. You know, any color, I believe anybody can use any color, but with the hazel, the purple just makes it pop, and golds too, but I think this is just a classic, so this is, you know, a great look that you could go out and go on with the rest of your day. Now, I don't have any mascara on right now, but here's that quick look, and I think London is beautiful. So there's your basic wash method. Now we can go on to the second method, which is the windshield wiper method. A lot of W's in there. So now what all you can do is you're gonna add Amethyst, and we're gonna add that into our crease area right here. And the more you add, the more dimension you're gonna get. So just take a little bit. Let's see. I'm just gonna go back and forth. Keep your eyes open. Okay, just bring it down like that. There, see? And then we're gonna do that on the other side. And windshield wiper, back and forth. That's all it is. There. Now if you wanted more dimension, you could add more product and keep doing it, but I think that looks very nice right there. And that was easy, so that's all. But let me just blend a little bit right now while I have this. Just blend. Just want to tap. You don't want to take anything away. So now the final method is the brightener. Now there's other eyeshadow tutorials I'll do in the future, but this is just the basic for beginners. And the brightener is just, you're gonna add to underneath your eyebrows. And I'm in love with Sabrina. So Sabrina's gonna just brighten everything up and bring it out. I'm gonna use the other end of the everything eyeshadow brush. Tap it into Sabrina. This is Sabrina. It has a little sparkle in it. So that's what I love about it. And this is universal, and I think everybody should have this color in their arsenal. And you're just gonna, right up there. Gonna do the other side. And also what I do, I usually just use my finger. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the inside corner of your eye, right there. Kind of just makes your eyes pop. There, and that was it. So those are the three methods. We have the wash, just using one color, and then we have the windshield wiper, which is the two colors. You're just adding a little bit darker color into your crease, and then finally the brightener. You're just adding that eyeshadow that just has a little sparkle in it and just makes your eyes pop more and sparkle, and it just is amazing. These little things can make such a difference. And so now I'm gonna finish up and putting my mascara on, and I'll be back. Welcome back. I'm all finished. I put on the mascara. I've had the best luck with the Thrive. It works incredible on my eyelashes since they're kind of sparse. I'm currently going through cancer treatments, and so my eyelashes never came back great. I know I've said before, and so you know, I can't use eyelash curlers or anything like that, and I do use the serum, which thank goodness. So this has helped me a lot. And another trick I've learned is, I found that this one works best too, is their Thrive Black waterproof eyeliner, and you apply that to the waterline on the upper there, and that just makes your lashes look fuller. So that's been a good trick, and tried a few, and I just think the Thrive one works best. Other ones would just, you know, blend all over the place and everything. I look like I have a black eyeliner on. And just to give a little more definition to the eye, I just applied a little bit to the corner, the black, just to kind of give it that definition. So there you have it, a very easy 3 methods you can use. Please don't be intimidated by it, or any color. It takes practice, and it's fun when you can experiment with colors and everything. So if you like this video, please like it below. And if you have any questions or comments about the colors or other colors that I think might look best on you, please contact me, and I'd love to help you out. I've already finished the rest of my makeup. And like I said, Hollywood on my lip and cheeks, I think, is a great compliment to this too. So I'm very happy with how it all turned out, and it was so quick. You know, in this quarantine time, you know, you still want to look and feel your best, and so that's why I enjoy doing it. So I hope you liked the video, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.